Welcome to my tutorial about the PHP language. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how can you work on variables and expressions. Alright, first I will let you know about what is variables and expressions. Variables is a name of memory location. It stores different types of data. Did you know about the data types? I will show you how. I will tell you what is primitive data types so you can easily learn these things. Variable is an identifier whose values keeps changing throughout the execution of programs. And what is expressions? Expression is a combination of variables, constants, functions, and operators. Now I will tell you primitive data types. What is primitive data? There are three types of primitive data types: scalar types, compound types, and special type, and constants. Right? In a scalar types, you know about that scalar types have integers values, a float, strings, and boolean. Compound types have array and object. Compound means you have to you have to store the multiple values in a single data type, in a single variable. So we will use the compound types, and special types like resources and nulls. All right. Now I'm going to show you the code about how can you work on the variables and through the expressions, and how can we do it, right? So this is my first code about storing a string value in a variable. How can we store a value in a variable? So we have to make a variable like a message, dollar message. You can make your own variables and store the string values into the message. All right, it will assign the your string values into the message and echo message. All right, I will execute this program. So you have to see the storing a string value message. Thanks to watch my tutorial. Now it can easily be run it. Now I'm printing the echo message. There is no need to apply the double quotation on the printing the message. All right, so you can do that. Okay, in this code we're gonna do that. Message variable declare as a string variables because the value assigned to it is a string of data types. The string is enclosed into the double quotation. All right, as you see that the string is closed into the double quotation, so it will print the message of a string. All right, in the second code I'm going to show you storing the value of an expression. Now I'm talking about the expression in a variable. The expression is the combination of variables. All right, so I declare the variable with the number 1. It has the integer numbers. There is, you know that. And second is number 2, which has the integer numbers, and number 3. Now the sum of these two numbers I'll assign into the number 3 and print this number 3. This is called the expressions. All these expressions, a variable has assigned the expressions is called the expressions, and storing the value of an expression in a variable. All right, I will show you this code here. Storing the value of expression in a variable 1647. All right, in this code the variable in this code the variable number 3 will be declared as an integer variable, and the value of the addition expression number 1, number 2 is assigned to it. All right, as you know that. In the second block of code I am showing you the assigning the value of one variable to another variable. Now this is called the reference variable. How can we apply the reference variable of a name? All right, in this code the variable f name and l name are string variable. The reference of the f name variable is assigned to the dollar name variable is using the equal to and ampersand symbols. Equal to the ampersand symbol. Ampersand symbol is used for the referencing the name. All right, and echo name printed. Now your message will be printed John Smith. How? There is John Smith. All right, assigning the value of one variable to the another variable. This is called the referencing variable. All right, now we are talking about this constants. All right, the constants, the identifier containing value do not change throughout the execution of a program. Constants are case sensitive, are static, meaning constants one defines cannot be changed, are declared using the defines function, as I show you using the define functions. And the syntax is define string name and mixed values. All right, what is the string name, what is mixed values? String names define the variable name for the constants. It defines the variable name of the constants, and mixed value specified a numeric or string value. It will specify the numeric and or string value. How can we work on it? So declaring the constant name containing the error reporting is using for it will generate the error. So with type of error, there is like a cache sensitive error. Okay, in this block of code of a constants, names assigned to a string value to it. On execution, the statement echo name, the string value stored in the constant will be displayed. The declaration of constant is case sensitive, therefore the statement echo name displays the text name. Alright, I will show to the code of here. Here is the code of read how ton declare the constant name containing a string. This is the notice use of undefined constant name because it's the case sensitive. Assume name in this is the 64 line number 64 name, this will produce the error. All right, I hope you enjoyed a lot with my tutorial and know you are familiar with the variables and the expression in other programming language. It's not a difference things but little bit difference. I will tell you all of these things about the PHP language. Thank you so much watching my tutorial. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.